number line. Let's count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. Let's go all the way to 80. I'm counting by fives. So 0 all the way to 80 counting by fives. Good practice to count by fives. Come on up. Okay, we're good? So counting by fives, good practice to count by fives all the way to 80. All right. Put a dot on 15, 35, 50. So what is it? 15, 35, 50, 60, and 75. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 50, 60, and then 75. All right, so 5 dots. Sorry. 15, 35, 50, 60, 75. Okay? Ooh, you already got your box and whisker plot. Love that. So your first 2 dots are your whiskers. Your last 2 dots is your whiskers, right? And then the ones in the middle create your boxes, right? So box here and box there. All right. All right. Who can remind us without looking, who remembers without looking, what's my pinky? What's the first dot, Kevin? Minimum. All right. Without looking, what is the last one? My thumb, Armando? Maximum. All right. What does my middle finger, yes. Medium. Love that. What does my second finger, Roger? Lower quartile. Also known as first. And what is my pointer finger, the fourth dot? Kevin? Upper quartile. Thanks. Or also known as? Second. No. Third. Which one's your second? Median. Does anybody remember what the percents are? 25. So this is 25. This is 25. 25. 25. Okay, we're good? Okay. Something that I kind of rushed through yesterday. We're not rushing right now. The range. How would I find the range for this? What math, Roger, would I do? Very good. In this case, instead of saying biggest one and smallest one, what vocabulary word should I use? Yeah, so I'm going to do maximum minus minimum. All right, take a second, figure out what's our maximum, what's our minimum. So what's the biggest number, what's the smallest number? So what's the biggest number, what's the smallest number? All right, who can tell us what's the biggest number, what's the smallest number? What's our biggest number?
80.
Ah, I tricked you. Is 80 the biggest number?
75.
It's 75. Now, 80 is there, but did I use 80? No, it's there to trick you. Don't get tricked. 75 minus, what's our minimum? Is it 0? Nope. I didn't use 0. It's just on my number line. 15. All right, what's 75 minus 15? 60. That would be the range. Okay, you guys ready for a super hard one? Are you ready? I don't know if you guys... Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, welcome. Welcome to advanced math right here. It's not. It is interquartile range. Interquartile. Okay. What do you think interquartile range means? Not what I'm teaching. We're teaching right now. We're learning. We're growing the mind. We're growing the mind. Kevin?
It means like the maximum, the lower quartile minus the upper quartile.
Yep. So, quartiles. Don't bother the guy. Guy is learning. Unless you need something. Do you need something? Do you need something? Oh, don't bother the guy. He's like in the middle of learning. Okay. Inner quartile. What does inner mean in the real world? Outside of math. What does inner mean? Inner means, yeah, the center, inside. Inside. So inside your quartiles, you have 3 quartiles. Lower, oh no. Yeah. Well, you have first, second, and third quartile. So Kevin said it correctly. The inner quartile range is your upper quartile minus your lower quartile. So it's not the maximum minimum, it's the upper quartile minus, Ellen needs to write this down so we have this in our notes. So when we take a test on this, you can go back and be like, oh yeah, that's right. When she wants inner quartile range, all she wants me to do is subtract upper quartile minus lower quartile. But I didn't write that in my notes, so now I'm lost in outer space forever. Okay, so what is the upper quartile of my problem? 60. Minus, what's my lower quartile? 35. Very good. So, what is 60 minus 35?
25.
So, my inner quartile range would be 25. And that's it. So, that's the new part I had to teach you that I didn't teach you yesterday. The inner quartile range, which is just upper quartile minus lower quartile. So, our range is maximum min minus min. Oh, so like what I like to do with my fingers. So range is this. When you put your pinky and your thumb together. That's range. Inner quartile range, this one hurts. Is this one. Is when your ring finger and your index. Can you make them meet on your left hand? Can you make your ring finger and your index meet? That's your inner quartile. The inside numbers are meeting. That would be that. But, Jacob? No. So, okay. Okay. Can you do this? Can you go from here? Not all the kids can do it, though.
Oh, Miss, I could do that. Miss, can I get that?
All right. Let's look at the back. Number 3 on the back. Everybody turn the page to number 3 on the back.
You said you don't get emails on your phone.
I can't, your comments on Canvas I don't get. If you comment on your Canvas, I don't get it. If you email me, I do get them. Maybe. I do. It depends. I mean, some of you, have anybody emailed me in this class? Okay.
You never respond though. You just did it.
Okay. Number 3. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna skip most of this. All I want to do is, what do you guys think IQR means? I mean, I already kind of told you. I wrote it on the board. What is IQR? Very good. So inner quartile range. How do I find inner quartile range? We wrote it in our notes today.
The lower quartile minus the upper quartile.
So upper quartile minus lower quartile, because upper is a bigger number, minus lower quartile. Okay, take a minute, figure out what's your upper quartile, what's your lower quartile. So I'm going to be quiet for a second. Can you figure out which number represents upper, which number represents lower? So take a minute, which one's upper, which one's lower? So write down the two numbers. What would be upper, what would be lower? Just by looking. All right, Sienna, what would be my upper? 30. I agree. Minus. Armando, what's my lower?
5.
Right there, 5. So that's that. Woo! Super hard math. I don't know. Gio, what's 30 minus 5?
25.
Whoa.
Wrong.
So, my inner quartile range is equal to 25. Why? Because when I subtract this, 30 minus 5, I get 25. So my inner quartile range would be 25. Good? All right. If you were absent yesterday, I would strongly recommend you watching the little video because, you know. Okay, we're going to do the one in the big box, but there's a mistake that we caught first period. They numbered this wrong. The first number should not be 32, it should be 34. So everybody cross out that 32, and it should be a 34. Does anybody know what the table is going up by?
2, 2, 6.
Okay, what's this middle one?
Oh, by 1. No. Yeah, by
Let's see, 34, 35, 36. What's this number?
37.
All right. So they made a mistake by making that a 32. It's not supposed to be a 32. It's supposed to be a 34. It's going up by ones. It's going up by ones. All right. Give you guys, let's see what you can do. How many of these can you answer, okay? Set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes starting now.
Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do with your notes and your reading skills. Let's see it. Let's do something. Let's not cause attention to ourselves. Let's try to be invisible. The teacher does not see. Try your best. Read the questions. Do something on them.
Number 6
percentile. We wrote percents in our notes yesterday. On the hand, we wrote, no, not on the hand. On the notes, not after the hand, we wrote percents on that one. Mm-hmm. Who can tell me what each section is worth?
25%.
So we said each section is 25%. So these questions look very intimidating and hard, but the math is actually pretty easy. All right. Each section is 25. Okay. What was the lowest temperature? What was it? I heard it. What was it? 35. Now, Abigail, it's not the lowest on the number line. It's the lowest dot. So this lowest dot is actually at 35. So for those of you with 34, no, it's not from the number line. That's how they get you. Is the highest temperature 44? No, it's on the number line, but is there a dot on 44? Nope. All right. What percentage of temperatures is above 37? All right, where's 37? Right here, right? So I'm looking for above. How many percents, how many sections do I have that has 25%? 3. 25, 25, 25. So what's our total percent?
40. 45. 50. Oh, it's 45. I meant 40. I meant 35. I don't know that. I don't know because I don't know the percent. Oh, it's 25 each time. Yes, so 25, 25. I just realized that. Oh, I did it wrong.
So what is each section?
25.
25. Okay. Oh my God. I can't believe that. This is 25. This is 25. And this is 25. So we add all those up. 25, 25, 25. And we get... Wow, that was torturous. But yes, 75.
Yep, 75.
Wow. How'd you guys get 40 and 45? Don't let me know. I don't even know. Okay. What percentage of the temperatures were above 40? So from here over. So, oops. So from 40 above. How many sections is 40 and above? So what's the percent of 40 and above?
50. What?
Okay. So, no, Kevin got it right. Raul got it wrong. So here to here. How many 25 sections, Raul? This is one. And this is another one. So what is that in total?
Where is the percent?
Because I have two sections of 25.
If it says above, wait. If it says above 37, wouldn't you go above 27?
37 is right here, right?
Yes.
How many sections did I cross over to get all the way over here? 1, 2, 3. Each section is worth how much? 25. So we got a 25, a 25, and a 25. Yes, we said that.
He said 50. No, I said.
We're on this next question. We're on number 3 now.
Well, you didn't write 75 on it.
Right, because I'm tired of the kids who just write what I write.
That's not what I was doing. I was trying to figure out how you did that one, but you didn't write it, so I didn't know.
Right, and this is why I didn't write it, because I'm tired of the kids who just write what I write, but are not listening to me. I know, I'm not saying it was you. I'm saying, hey, I am not writing it because I am tired of the kids. When I walk around, all you're doing is copying me. So you gotta listen, phone away, listen. All right. Exactly. Okay, what is Q1 and Q3 for this data? So what is Q1 equal to? And what is Q3 equal to? What's another word for Q1? Lower quartile. Q3 is upper. So figure out what is lower, what is upper, if you have not done so. If you have, fantastic. If you have not, do it right now. Okay, what's our lower quartile?
37.
37. What's our upper quartile?
40. I meant
42.
42. Good job correcting that. Okay, what percent of the temperature were below 37? Now we're looking for, here's 37. How many sections before? Just one, and each section is worth 25. So 25% of the data is below 37. All right, what's the median?
40.
40. That would be the easiest question on today's assignment. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Okay, the last problem for today will be number 2. Number 2. Okay, what is the first thing I have to do with these numbers? What's the first thing I do with these numbers? Put them in order. All right, so everybody, for memento, let's put them in order. Jacob, I think you might have company today. Oh, he's giggling. That might be. All right. Well, let's refocus. Okay, Audrey, I'm asking you to put these numbers in order from the smallest sienna. I don't know, but we can figure it out. While Jacob can help me investigate what's going on during nutrition. It'll be more interesting for you, since we have to be here. All right, Kalani, enough iPad. All right, put these numbers in order. All I'm asking you is put them in order. Smallest number, biggest number. All right. Wow, I am missing a lot of these numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. I had to squeeze a lot of those numbers in because I missed them. Okay. We can do maximum, minimum, super easy. What's the maximum?
16.
What's the minimum? 2. Literally, max is the biggest number. Dude, if you get that on the test, seriously, really. Okay, what's the next one I have to figure out?
The lower quartile.
I can't do lower quartile.
Why not?
Because I have to find what first?
The median.
Median. You can't do lower quartile until you find the median. Which one's the median? Q1, Q2, or 3? 2. How do I find the median? All right, good. Awesome. Go ahead, cross them out. You guys can cross them out without me. You don't need me to cross them out. Cross them out. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Circle. What are we doing? So scared. Okay, what's in the middle? 8. Okay, now that you've determined the middle, now you can do lower quartile. You couldn't do it before. So I'm going to switch colors. Now, you lower quartile, this one's lower quartile. You cover up and you cross out. And what's in the middle? 5. 5 is in the middle. So that's our lower quartile. Now our upper quartile, you cross out the ones on the top. Cross out the ones on top. Go ahead and do that before I do. So cross out the upper quartile. So I like to make them an X. I have one dash. Now I make them, cross them out and create an X. Cross them out. What's in the middle? 12. All right. 2 more questions. Range and inner quartile range. It's cool. I have 4 minutes, but if we need more time, we'll go into break.
No.
Okay, so Kalani, I know that in 4 minutes we can answer these 2 questions if you try. If you don't try, well then we won't. And we'll sit here with Jacob forever. Alright, range. I'm going to call on a kid for range, and I'm going to call a kid for interquartile range. Range is max minus min. Interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. So do that math, and I'm going to call super random students to answer these 2 questions. Super random. The range is maximum minus minimum, and the interquartile range is upper minus lower. Set timer for 1 minute.